Hello everyone, welcome to Kalium. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Kalium theme on your WordPress site. The process is quite simple and easy, so let's dive right in. First, you need to be logged into your WordPress site. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left-hand menu and then click on Themes. This is where you can manage all the themes installed on your site. On your browser, open a new tab and navigate to kaliumtheme.com/account. Log in with the credentials you used to purchase the theme. After you've successfully logged in the left area, click the Downloads tab. In the list of purchased items, you can see Kalium there. On the right side, click the Download button. A zip file should start downloading. Keep this tab open as a pop-up will appear that we'll need later. Once downloaded, get back to your Site tab. To install Kalium, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Then, click on Upload Theme. Now, you'll see an option to choose a file. Select the Kalium theme file you just downloaded. It should be in a zip format. Once selected, click Install Now. After the theme is uploaded, you'll see a confirmation message. Click on Activate to make Kalium your active theme. Your site will now be using the Kalium theme. A new page will appear and say that the license needs to be activated, so get back to the Kalium Account tab and click the Copy License Key button. Get back to your WordPress site tab. Paste the license key in the Input area and click the Activate License button to activate the license. Once the license is activated, you can explore the theme now and see different parts of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more tips on getting the most out of Kalium. Thanks for watching.